Hi, I'm Fanda and welcome to my channel. As I promised on a previous video, we continue our walk today from the Vancouver Trade and Convention Center towards Stanley Park, which is about 6 kilometers long. This is another unforgettable walk, so stay tuned till the end. A little background history about Coal Harbour. In 1884, the same year of Vancouver was established, this harbour was the Canadian Pacific Railway terminal. Then it became a commercial area full of warehouses until 1911 when shipping piers were built. So I wonder why harbours are important. Harbour can provide safe and easy access to transfer goods and passengers between ships and the shore. There are three kinds of harbour, which is natural, semi-natural, and artificial. Based on 2018 information, Halifax Harbour in Nova Scotia is the deepest harbour with a depth of 18 meters at low tide. Before we continue, I'm gonna ask you to write down in the comments below which one is the most favorite video you've watched from this channel. Also, if you have any question about Vancouver, feel free to write it down there too. Near the corner of Harbour Green Park, there is an art display that looks like a treehouse. It is called the Lightshirt, and it is designed by artist Liz Major in 2004. The structure is modeling the actual sheds that were common along the waterfront during the industrial time. And I heard the sheds light up at night as if to guide the boats into Coal Harbour. Construction of the Vancouver Sea Wall began in Stanley Park in 1917 and it keeps expanding. As we know, the seawall is created to prevent erosion of the park's foreshore. It is nicely paved for walking, jogging, and cycling. It is calming and enjoyable to spend a sunny afternoon like today. By the way, I didn't know that first seawall in the world was actually invented by the Roman Emperor Constantine the Great. This seawall is conveniently a few steps away from the hotels, and you can easily find cafes and restaurants for you to mingle. Sit on the bench, watching people's trendy fashions and playful dogs passing by can be fun too. Harbour Green Park provides the longest waterfront park in Coal Harbour with beautiful views. You can come here to relax and have a picnic too, or bring your planning book if it is not raining out. And of course, it is even better in the spring, summer, and fall. And I was just saying that because being in the park or environment like this can give your brain the whole new inspiring ideas. Just wear some layers, put your toque on, and bring warm blankets. You can spend a couple of hours here. If you're tired of walking, you can easily spot a couple of bike rentals along the Coal Harbour Sea Wall. Rent a bike and continue a little further to Stanley Park. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. Hit that notification bell to see me on my next video. Take care and have a happy day.